Sunday. It's 8:30 in the morning right now. And it's day of the track, so we're gonna be going to the track. It poured yesterday, so still so far going on. Starts at 10, so I'm pretty sure it'll probably start a little bit later now. Yeah, it's supposed to be like the fastest front wheel drive out here, all-wheel drive. There's gonna be like a whole bunch of Civics, Evos, everything going at it. Yeah, so I'm actually gonna try to push my car as far as I can, so I don't wake up my kids because it's super early. So yeah, let me get to doing that right now. It's gonna be real interesting. See how I'm gonna be able to do this right now. I'm gonna try to push my car out. Like, I'm gonna see how far I can push it all the way out. Thing is, the floor's wet, so we shall see how far I can push it. Let's see. Turn the wheel all the way. Exactly what I said. I'm gonna bust my ass right now. The drive is pretty easy. Oh, let me zoom in. What the hell? Working from the garage. I think I could get in my car and let her ride out. Oh, yeah. This is funny as hell. Oh well. This is great. I just had to push it a little bit. I think on my driveway it was back. That was great. Neighbors don't hate me. Alright, got some 85. Let's see how this batch is looking. Once I was almost at like E, this gas actually wasn't looking that bad. It was showing me 70%. Probably because all the other like watered down E85 I had was gone. So we'll see now. And it's morning time, so let's see. What? First time fucking ever, bro. Okay, they got a good batch of gas, and it's early. They told me to come in the morning. The gas might be different in the morning. Definitely different. I'm at 74%. Let's go. Alright, I just met up with Gene, and then we met up with one of his other boys. He's the one that had the LSV EG Coupe the day of the track day. So coincidentally, we met up at the same gas station. He just got 85 for his car. I think he's gonna take his shit down the track. Wish I would have known. I would have got this car like a line and stuff like that just to take it down the track. Not the track, well, I'll get it down the strip for shits and giggles, but it's all good. Well, yeah. See what else we get into.
Actual plug, yeah, it wasn't going. I thought you changed it. No, I talked to you yesterday. You said you changed it. It's still...
We're about to head out. I'm gonna put another dude got a fucking LS RX7 on boost. This thing looks badass. This thing is like makes like 800, I think. Automatic. Well, you still gotta shift it, but I forgot the name of the trans, but thing got big slicks in the back. My boy left the fucking all-wheel drive Civic at home. Why you park so far? Why? We left you a spot right there.
Oh,
You know, he's not with the Hondas no more. What's your name again?
Norm.
This is Norm right here. He got a badass RX7. Wait, so what is this? This is like a 7. This is like a 7-Eleven?
Something like that.
Yeah, y'all gotta show me
Like
what.
sandwiches
I just
and
need
stuff
like
over here, and then there's drinks all across.
We just got to the airport right now. It says Norm's. What is it? LS, right?
Yeah.
This thing is fucking badass.
Yo, so it's in neutral right now. I got 2 buttons on this side. So if I push this top one, you feel it go
Oh,
into
that's
gear.
the bump, right? The bump?
Well, it holds it in reverse, and then you put it in drive, and you hold the button, and you're off, right? And you just put it to the floor.
And then you just let go and it goes.
I mean, there's a bump below it, so like it'll bump forward, but it's like based off of your like torque converter and shit like that. There's some valving you can do to the tranny
It's that
to be able to
fucking
change it.
automatic crazy shit, bro. This shit is like unbeatable. Once it's automatic, it's over. This thing is clean too. Damn, man. I wish I would have known about this, man. I would have at least tried to, like, you know, do what I needed to do to it. To at least take it down once. I still haven't taken it down, done nothing. Man, it started raining again, but it stopped. So I'm gonna go down the track just to kind of dry it up. I'm not gonna be here for much longer, anyways, but we'll see. Alright, never mind. It started raining again. We're going to the line. Shit, see what we can get. Can't really go too far up though, but that's Norm? Huh? Nah, it can't be. I gotta be another car though too. That's Black Smoke. It's a diesel car.
Yeah, with the
with the truck. What do you mean? Oh wait, he's racing. Oh yeah. I was about to say yeah. Alright, let's see if we could get from over here. Man, he was getting loose with it. That's the kid outside, the little kid, look.
Fucking garage. Money on the third one.
Alright, right lane is not it.
Oh,
He's got it, he's got it.
Tyler. Bob is he's got a brother named
Supposedly, these dudes said that shit made 500 horsepower. Let's see right now. It's a Hyundai. Bro, that shit moving slow. Hell no.
Dude, to get down to fucking Star Trek, it's a swamp you have to go through.
$5 for that right there.
Ridiculous.
For free right here, because I still drove us.
He's spinning too, bro.
That shit did not make no 500, bro. They had to run a stick shift car.
Oh, okay. From here, dude, I'm sweating. Yes! Let's go!
He's thick. He's gonna get a truck.
Yeah, he's only ever ran 8.
The turbo Tiggy versus a turbo diesel truck. Let's see. Then the Civic made like 380. And he's spinning. Trying to see that one right there. All-wheel drive Civic.
Who cares? It's still a shit car.
Just all-wheel drive Civic.
That Corvette all the way down.
Really?
Had him by a car and a half easy.
Down there, they were nose to nose.
2 cars.
Oh my god. That shit's gone. Jesus Christ. Yeah, that shit. He's going by himself.
Dumped it and then go right back to trying to dump it again.
He says go. Yo. Damn. Oh, he is racing the Honda. Imagine he did, but he would lose this. Okay. Let's go. Overdrive Civic again. Let's go. Woo! That motherfucker moving! Yeah, we about to head out. Look, it's about to start raining again. We've been drowning in this fucking, in this heat too. Yo. What up, guys? What's going on? So I'm back in New York City. Gonna be here. Well, I've been here for about a week already. I got like 1 more week to be here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was pretty short. Things didn't go as planned. It was supposed to be a lot more cars. It was supposed to be like the fastest front-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, rear-wheel drives. But it was like on and off rain, and it was raining a lot more than it was supposed to. So that kind of like fucked everything up. Yeah, it was raining in the morning, then it stopped, then it kept raining, then it stopped.
So kind of cut it short. The day was kind of like all over the place. I couldn't get more footage because there wasn't really that many cars. Again, racing, I just wanted to get the overdrive Civic that was there and the LSV Turbo Civic that was there too. Which overall was a pretty good day. Went on the track, did a little, little somewhat small little baby pools on the track just to, dry it off or whatever. But when I get back now, I'm definitely gonna go and do the wheel alignment, wheel balance. I think that's what I really need. And then, start figuring out the car a little bit more, and then take it down the track. Cause the car, like, it pulls all the way to the left when I'm doing a pull, and the steering wheel is like shaking a lot. So I gotta balance all four wheels and do the wheel alignment on the front too. Well, I mean, they're gonna do all four, but mainly for the front too. So I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out, guys. I'm eating all the fucking food out here in New York. Rochester's food does not compare to New York City. But anyway, guys, let's enjoy. Peace out.